Imagine changing your life without making huge changes. What if getting just 1% better every day could completely transform your future? That is the powerful idea behind Atomic Habits by James Clear. The book teaches us that big results often come from very small actions repeated every day. A tiny habit may not seem important today, but over time, those small actions can create a huge difference. James Clear explains that you should not focus only on your goals. Instead, focus on the person you want to become. For example, instead of saying, "I want to read more," think, "I am a reader." Instead of saying, "I want to exercise," think, "I am someone who takes care of my body." This change in identity can make habits easier to build. The book also gives us 4 simple rules for creating good habits. First, make it obvious. Put your running shoes where you can see them. Keep a book next to your bed. Make the habit easy to remember. Second, make it attractive. Connect a habit you need to do with something you enjoy. For example, listen to your favorite music while exercising. Third, make it easy. Do not try to change everything at once. Start with something very small. Read 1 page. Do 5 push-ups. Study for 5 minutes. Small actions are easier to repeat. Fourth, make it satisfying. Give yourself a small reward after completing a good habit. When a habit feels rewarding, you're more likely to repeat it. The same idea works for breaking bad habits. Make them invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. One of the most important lessons from Atomic Habits is this: you do not need to be perfect, you just need to keep improving. Missing 1 day is not failure. The real danger is letting 1 missed day become 2, then 3, then a week. Your habits shape your days, and your days shape your life. So, if you want a better future, start with 1 small action today. Remember, small habits may look insignificant, but repeated over time, they can change everything. Want to listen to the full audiobook? Try it with a free trial using the link in the description.